This is going to be a very helpful comparison video for you guys as I am going to compare the all new Redmi Y2 with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. This is Satish and you are watching SatsTech. The Redmi Y2, which is going to be launched in India on June 7 on Amazon for the price tag of Rs 9,999, whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is a top selling smartphone of 2018 in this price range, was launched few months back, priced at Rs 14,999 and available on Flipkart. Let's start the comparison with the build quality of the phones. The Redmi Y2 is built with metal body and it has unibody design. The front glass is separated by back body and there is no frame around because of this kind of design approach. The body of the phone has curved design and makes it easy to hold and feels slimmer as well, though it measures 8.1 mm thick. The antennas are clearly visible on top and bottom of rear side of the phones as the back is made of metal and hence the antennas can't be surfaced underneath the body. The Redmi Y2 also comes in gold color variant. The Redmi Note 5 Pro as well has metal body design but feels more solid compared to the Redmi Y2. The Redmi Note 5 Pro has 4-level construction which is display, frame, plastic caps on backside and metal body. But when it comes to thickness, this too has 8.1 mm thickness, but that doesn't matter as long as it is crafted well to hold. The antennas are underneath the plastics on top and bottom of rear side of the phone, hence it is not visible on top. The Redmi Note 5 Pro comes in black, gold, blue and rose curve. The design of the Redmi 2 is inspired from Redmi Note 5 Pro itself as it is very identical. Both these smartphones have 6-inch IPS 18:9 aspect ratio panels, but the Redmi Note 5 Pro has Full HD display with 403 pixels per inch, whereas the Redmi Y2 has HD Plus display only with 269 pixels per inch. Saying this, you can't watch Full HD videos in Redmi Y2. There is a layer of 2.5D Gorilla Glass on top of display on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Since both these smartphones has 18:9 aspect ratio display, both has similar screen to body ratio. The Redmi Y2 has 74.5%, whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro has bit more of 77.4%. So Redmi Note 5 Pro takes complete control of display department irrespective of price of the smartphones. The viewing experience on these two, especially the Redmi Note 5 Pro, performed better utilizing its Full HD display and the display is crisp and clear. The capacity buttons are no longer available in Xiaomi phones and it is replaced with on-screen navigation buttons to make use of software features. Coming to the camera department, both these smartphones has dual camera on back which is stacked and designed insane. Primary camera on these phones has 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture which can shoot 1080p videos and has stabilization support. Unfortunately, neither Redmi Note 5 Pro or Redmi Y2 doesn't support 4K recording officially and it is most expected feature in Redmi Note 5 Pro and Xiaomi might push it in future update. The secondary camera on these phones again has same 5 megapixel camera which helps to blur the background while taking portrait shots. The portrait mode on Redmi Note 5 Pro slightly better as it is more accurate than the Redmi Y2 sometimes. There is a dual LED flash in between cameras on Redmi Note 5 Pro, whereas the Redmi Y2 has single LED flash in between the cameras. There is whopping 20 megapixel front camera on Redmi Note 5 Pro that has f2.2 aperture and has capability to record in 1080p videos and also has portrait mode feature on front camera. Whereas the one found in Redmi Y2 has 16 megapixel front camera which is a great deal in this price range and has portrait mode feature as well. To assist in low light conditions, both these smartphones has single LED flash on front. Let's talk about the software. Since both are Xiaomi phones, there is MIUI skin on top of the OS. Redmi Y2 out of the box comes with Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9.5 skin on top. Whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro still runs on Android 7.1 Nougat. Post update by Xiaomi, Redmi Note 5 Pro received MIUI 9.5 update. Both these smartphones should be eligible to receive MIUI 10 which was unveiled few days back. Overall, the performance on these phones should function smoothly as both phones has better performing octa-core chipsets. The chipset present on Redmi Note 5 Pro has Snapdragon 636 which delivers better performance compared to the one phone on Redmi Y2 which has Snapdragon 625 chipset, and this is where the pricing factor comes into play. The Redmi Y2 variant that I have has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage and you will get around 23GB of internal storage out of the box. The Redmi Note 5 Pro variant that I have is 4GB variant and has 64GB internal storage. Here are the hand-to-tooth benchmark test scores. The Redmi Y2 managed to score 77,173, whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro scored 1,13,195, outperforming Redmi Y2. The superior chipset and 4GB RAM managed to score more in Redmi Note 5 Pro. The fingerprint scanner placed on rear side of the phone and placement on these phones are same. The fingerprint scanner on these two devices work instantly as soon as you tap it. Alternatively, these phones support facial unlock feature which uses front camera, and face unlock feature works super fast due to the whopping megapixel camera on these two devices. The battery is a fundamental aspect for users to buy. Let's talk about the battery in these two devices. Xiaomi just managed to put 3080 mAh in Redmi Y2. The Redmi Y2 might last long for a day on moderate usage as the display is just HD, not full HD. If you had noticed, Redmi Y1 as well had same 3080 mAh battery, and there is no improvement from Redmi Y1 to Redmi Y2 on battery department. The other device in the comparison, the Redmi Note 5 Pro, has 4000 mAh battery which should last long from 24 to 36 hours on a moderate usage. The clear winner in this segment is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Well, this is all I got to compare in these two smartphones. If you think I deserve a credit for making this video, then hit the subscribe button and show your love. Have a nice day and stay awesome.